Hi guys, this is a new video and we have a special guest. It's Fabian from SazAnalytica. Hi bro, how are you? What is going on?
Hey Greenie, thank you for having me on your show. Quite exciting times today that you're having me
Absolutely,
here.
absolutely amazing.
$67,000,
Yeah,
guys.
Bitcoin is almost breaking all-time high at the time we record this video, and market capitalization already broke all-time high. So absolutely exciting times. Um, Tell us what is going on in what do you think about the market?
I think the market is going totally crazy, especially since we had this massive ETF news. Crypto adoption is at the doorstep right now. And as you can see, we are almost crushing the all-time high. Let's see if we get past that. Eventually, we will see a retracement, which would just make sense for all those people that have bought the top here in 2021. So let's see if the steam train can take us any further. Also, altcoins did a really good job in the last weeks. For example, has any one of you guys bought PayPay?
Oh
Absolute,
man, that's crazy.
absolutely amazing. I told my brother to buy like here, and what is it? It made like
Epic.
400%. PayPay is going nuts. All of these meme
Holy,
coins.
holy shit, man.
Holy
I
shit, yeah.
missed, I missed that rocket. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely insane. Then we do have AVAX also doing a massive good job. Really could see AVAX soon hit this area here in the near future. If BTC decides to go higher, then we will see altcoins definitely pump as well. Also DOT, Polkadot, hugging the 800 EMA on the daily chart, seeing a little
Yeah,
bit of a retracement, but we do have much room to the upside if we are really getting into a bull run.
sure.
Also Solana,
100%.
great.
Dot is looking not like BTC or even Solana. Dot is looking like it's still on the bottom if we're looking
Mm,
at macro picture. That's why I
yeah,
also separating altcoins now for like undervalued, cheap altcoins and already overvalued, overexcited, even if it's a continuation of bull market. For example, Solana or maybe which names um, except Pepe, you know, which broke the all-time high already, surpassed all-time high.
um,
I heard a few names.
altcoins.
Yeah, I
I
heard
don't think much altcoins have broken all-time high, but there is one.
Shiba Inu maybe, no?
Let's
No, no,
let's take a look at
it
shit.
was a recent pump. It was not all-time high, but
Oof.
yeah, Pepe is new coin. That's why we see. Yeah, yeah, Shiba Inu also.
Massive. Not bad, not bad.
But
But I think,
we should remember this is meme coins. Yeah, sorry, what you say?
yeah, Bonk actually did crush the all-time high now.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
But yeah, high risk, high
Crazy.
reward. So take care in what you invest your money. It can go up like this and then within a split second the same way down. So yeah,
Absolutely. So in this kind of environment, how do you manage your risks? Because it's crazy. Now people will get over leverage, overexcited, and go along with stop
absolutely.
losses.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
What instruments do you use for risk management in
So
that?
what I have done is I have built my own trading algorithm. I will show it on BTC, pretty much the perfect bull run companion. It is only going for long trades, so you can do it with leverage or with no leverage. And you have lots of risk management options.
Mhm.
It's pretty much straightforward. So every time you see a blue check, a blue triangle, you enter a trade and you exit on the purple triangle. So every time it pretty much gets you in at the bottoms and also keeps you in the trades for quite a long time. Of course, there are sometimes losers, but guys, we are trading, we have to take losses, of course, we are playing with risk.
Absolutely.
Those last trades have been absolutely massive. It called the breakout here, continued up here, almost up to 46,000, and now it closed out. And if we take a look further back, For example, here on the June of 2022, it's buying most of the time pretty good the bottoms and sells the tops very, very well. I did brute force a lot of settings for this indicator that I've made. You can also have a backtesting implementation on TradingView. And as you can see here, the statistics are massive. They're outstanding in my opinion. 55%, 55,600% in profits on Bitcoin with
Wow,
a
man.
profitability. Yeah, that's really wow. So
Which
you
time
can,
period?
this is set from, so first of all, you have lots of settings that you can play with here. And I made different presets for each coin with the best possible outcome. And for example, here we start at 2015, but it wasn't listed in 2015, so we started to 17 now. Until today, until today's date, it made 55,650% with a profitability of 70%. And you also have the ability to turn on leverage and your equity size. So if you are not you can use it as a new trader or as a seasoned trader. So it is a pretty valuable and powerful tool. Take a look at this here, for example, because if I'm turning up the leverage now, the net profit increases massively, but of course you have to take in consideration the more risk you take, the more drawdown you get. And this tool I'm mainly using to manage my risk. So I'm not trading Bitcoin with more than a leverage of 3 and an equity size of 50, because otherwise it would be too much of a risk for liquidations. Also, this is not the only thing you have. You have trading configurations for your stops. You can set an active stop loss, and you can also automate it and connect it to 3 commas. So basically you set it up one time with your favorite risk management, and then you let it run and let it trade on autopilot. And yeah, that's how I basically trade. I made it for a various set of assets. For example, one of the top performers is AVAX. It's a pretty frequent trading style. It is working on the 30 minutes chart. And as you can see here, 1,565% with a drawdown of 49% with current settings and the 66% profitability. And I'm trading this one with a leverage of 8 and equity size of 50 on a sub account. You can check all of the recent trades that have happened. And by taking a look at the drawdown here, I'm able to figure out the best possible leverage without getting liquidated in between a certain time period. So this here right now is back tested since 2023, since December 2023 until today's date. Maybe let's take a look what would have happened if you would have let this strategy run until today. So you would have started in January 2024 until today. This thing would have made you 236% trading AVAX by just going long and buying the bottoms.
So this thing is working correctly on a bull trend, right? It's only long indicator.
Correct. It is only going long, but it's not only working in bull trends, as you can see, because as you can see here, wrong tool. So as you can see here, we had here also descendings, and it's buying the bottom. So in my opinion, you don't have to go long and short and play the game up and down. If you have a working strategy like this one here, you're probably making more money as most of other traders by risking money at going short, because
Absolutely.
you have to have
Shorting the bottom of bear market is too risky, and shorting all-time high as well.
Exactly.
Bull market.
So I'm a
Great.
friend of statistics, and I trust my statistics, and I think it's better to trust numbers that are calculated by a computer rather than by simply drawing, patterns and TA and stuff. This is based on technicals where you have statistics on, and
100%.
this is my favorite trading style, to be honest.
Don't trust, verify. This is good when you have pure statistics.
Exactly. Don't trust, verify. You
Yeah.
say it.
Okay, bro. Anyway, how this shit works? Tell us, tell our audience, because is it indicator which is working like many indicators which are based on the on the past, like on a moving average or something, or is it calculated by some algorithm, or how did you prepare this indicator? Can we trade any altcoin with this or not?
You cannot trade. I'm pretty sure that you can find profitable settings for other assets. I'm constantly brute forcing. I do have a program, a script that is brute forcing me the best settings with the best possible outcome. And those settings, for example, if you take a look here, here is various different parameters, including a trading buy and sell, which is based on the ATR period. And it's also including VWAP and many other indicators and market factors.
Yeah.
And those settings need to be right. It's pretty hard to find the right settings in order to get a statistic like this one here. So I'm brute forcing them with a program basically, and it's giving me the best possible settings, and those I'm trading then. I've made so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 presets. Those are all my favorites here. It's working on BiTCoin on the daily chart. It is time frame sensitive. You have to keep that in mind. So it's not working on every time frame.
Yeah, from which time frame does it works well? What do you think?
So on BiTCoin, the best working time frame which I've found is the daily chart. On AVAX, the best performing time frame is the 30 minutes chart. PayPay is working on the 4 hours chart very, very well. This is not right.
Yeah, PayPay we can understand. How does
I'm on the
perform?
wrong preset.
Yeah.
There it is. This one it is. So PayPay made, obviously massive profits since it got listed on Binance. Even in these sections here where the coin decided to go down, it made very, very good trades. As you can see, it bought the bottom here, it sold here. Of course, there is some losers, but the overall statistic is 77% win rate, even with these swings to the downside. Then we do have a very good preset for Solana as well. Solana made, since it got listed, what leverage is that? Yeah, leverage of 4 and 35% equity size. Did test it since it got listed on Binance until today's date. Made 1 million% with a 65% drawdown. This is a bit more of a risky setting, but if your risk appetite isn't that high, you can always turn down the leverage or your equity size, and as you can see here, then the drawdown is decreasing drastically. This setting did perform absolutely magnificent since 2023. Right now we do have a leverage of 2 and equity size of 35. And since 2023, with those settings, you would have made 338% with a drawdown of 24% and a 69% profitability. Absolutely great, in my opinion. And as you can see here, also these moves to the downside, it caught the bottoms pretty well, and as soon as it moved to the upside, the win rate increased drastically. Then we do also have one for Matic. Matic is, in my opinion, a pretty undervalued coin still. It has a pretty good working blockchain. It's comparable to Solana. You can have your NFTs and stuff and smart contracts programmed on it. So I do see Matic definitely with a huge upside potential. Also, if we take a look at the structure, at how it behaved at the bottoms here, Especially this liquidity zone here is a good target for the next months if we are actually getting into a bull run. Matic is working on the 4 hours chart, and I'm trading that one with a leverage of 3 and equity size per trade 35%. Let's keep, so yeah, it got backtested since it got listed. So you can see you have to turn it up a little bit. I think when did Matic got listed on Binance? 2021? Maybe 2020.
I think it was different coin. It was on ERC20 token on Ethereum first. Then it was
Okay.
migrated to its own chain, Polygon. But maybe it's not, doesn't matter. Like it was listed and there were no hard forks, so maybe it's the same chart.
Anyways, so I'm having the settings right now, starting the test from
Yeah, but
2020.
you know, everybody will say, "Stop, stop." Matic did 100x from those times. Like, we want to see recent activity. For example, last year or last 2 years.
Of course.
Yeah.
Let's make 2023. 2023, 151%
Wow.
with a leverage of 3 and 35% equity.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look how much it went up on its own. So this is here the backtest did start on January 2023 since today. And as you can see, we moved up 97% and then went down like 68%. And as you can see here, this is a pretty hard trend to trade, and keep in mind
Yeah.
it's only going long. And even in
Yes.
this setup, it made you 150%
We are pretty
with,
much in the same zone like now that we was
yeah,
a year ago.
exactly.
Yes, right, bro. Um, wow, this is looking very, very impressive and
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, I invested
promising.
a lot
Very
of
promising.
lot of time and
But
development and also a
yeah,
lot of money into this to
but
make it work that good actually.
how do you get these scripts for a coin?
You mean the presets, the
Yeah, the
predefined
preset.
settings?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So the presets I made available in our Discord. Maybe some of you guys know it. It's called SazAnalytica. I'm working together with Joe Saz.
yeah,
He's a pretty valuable order book trader. I think, Greeny, you already had him like 2 or 3 times on your show.
yeah.
And these settings can get accessed in the Discord channel. And also the GIGATREND, the indicator, I call it GIGATREND, is also available in our Discord channel with the premium package. And yeah, with it's 2 weeks for free, and test it out. If you like it, take it. If not, don't take it.
Yeah,
But
it is showing very good statistics. So anyway, we can use it like a hedge, maybe a small hedge of your portfolio. But it's showing very, very promising statistics. And can we pay crypto if we have some restrictions in our banking system?
of
Yeah.
course, I made it possible to pay with crypto as well. There
Yeah,
we go.
we can show how to pay crypto, because I think a lot of guys have profits now in USDT or
Mhm.
BTC or Solana, you know. So yeah, maybe it's easier. And even because we can't use Russian banking cards, you know, they are banned worldwide. No Swift, no,
Okay.
yeah, no transactions.
Shit.
This is
You
shit.
told me that last time, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is
Let me
horrible.
let me quickly open the market. There it is. Our marketplace online. This is where you can access or pay for the subscription. So you have 69.99 per month. This one, the 14 days free trial, only works with credit card, sadly. And this one you can also pay with credit card. And these ones, this one, and this one. So the last three, the 1 month, the 6 month, and the 1 year access, those you can pay with crypto. you only have to connect your MetaMask or with the Coinbase Commerce wallet, and then you can seamlessly pay with cryptocurrency with your preferred one.
That is great news. So you can connect MetaMask. How it works? Which protocol do you use to take payments from MetaMask? That's interesting for me personally. I'm using MetaMask, not Coinbase, because I'm not US citizen.
No, you don't have to use. You don't have to.
Yeah, I
Be
know.
US citizen.
It's like a CoinPay or BitPay, something like this, like a gate.
No, it's the same thing as MetaMask, I think.
Uh-huh.
I'm honestly not too familiar with it.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. So you click here on crypto, then you
And you
click on get
get an
access.
invoice, like an invoice.
Yeah.
So it's not
So
like a
then you
subscription. It's like a one-time invoice, and then you need to repay. Uh-huh.
exactly
Yeah,
you
in
have to
crypto.
repay it every month because you can't do like on a credit card you
Yeah,
can't take money. That would be not the idea of crypto if someone could take.
yeah.
But yeah, so here you can see you can pay with Coinbase, with your Coinbase account directly, with the Coinbase wallet, with the
Oh,
yeah, I
MetaMask.
think
That's
yes, exactly, a MetaMask, and then you have the wallet connector, and here you can use other Web3 implemented cryptocurrency wallets as well.
great news for our Russian audience and for others who watch from restricted areas. Nice. And what do you think of old coins? For example, maybe Litecoin or Dash. Can we use it for this kind of not so pumped coin? I mean, some kind of oversold coins, which they will pump later. What do you think of Dash?
Sadly, it's not performing well on Dash. It's because there's basically different market hands, and it looks like this coin is a bit, yeah, not getting too much appreciation from the community, from the crypto community anymore. But for everyone that is holding big bags of Dash or other currencies that are not looking that bright, what I am doing is I also have some bags of coins that are not performing anymore. So basically, all of the profits I make of the coins that I was mentioning before, AVAX, Solana, Matic, Pepe, Ordinals, and of course Bitcoin, the holy grail of cryptocurrency. Everything else is a shitcoin. Yeah, we know. But take the profits that you make out of a shitcoin and put them back into Bitcoin. That's what I'm doing. So I'm not trading AVAX to get more AVAX or more Solana to get more Solana. All of the profits I'm making, I'm putting into Bitcoin at a certain point where I'm like, this is a good entry point for the long term to hold something.
That
That's
is a
also
great
how
point. Yeah,
yeah.
it is the
I
right and
think
sorry.
I think as a trader, you should not focus on, oh, I don't like this coin, I only trade Bitcoin. You can be a Bitcoin maximalist, but you can still trade shit coins.
Yeah,
But
and be
as
profitable.
soon as you put your money back into Bitcoin, I think that's the best way to play in the
100%.
market. In the
100%.
end, yeah, in the end, we're in it to make some money out of it.
Agree, Fabian. Yeah, you should be profitable in BTC. That's the way it is. You should stacking sats all the time,
Definitely.
all the
Stacking
time.
sats.
Look, 66, almost 67. Yeah, 66,
Yeah,
800,
it did hit actually 67,300 today.
67 and 600. I see on my chart.
Mm,
Yes,
what chart?
but it's
It's crazy.
it is aggregation from
Ah, okay, the
all
aggregation.
major
No,
exchange.
I'm only looking at Binance. And maybe I should show the Discord as well.
Yeah, you can. Please go ahead.
So this here is our Discord channel. So
Mhm.
once you purchase the subscription or the monthly from month to month plan, you also get automatic access to the Discord channel. We do have all of the announcement that Joe Sass is posting, all of his videos, so you get informed of that. You have a news channel, some free channels, and then of course you get the VIP section. Here we do some analysis. So I have analysis. A good friend of mine, Antoine Brackmore, you can Google him. He's pretty known in the DeFi space, made some very good crypto projects. And of course, Joe's analysis, his almighty order book analysis, and all of the settings for the indicator that I was just showing you now. Once you have purchased it, you can go to education, you click on that, and then you find here the GigaTrend crypto presets. You click on that one, and here you have various pre-made settings. Here is also one for the 4 hours chart on Bitcoin, Solana, Bitcoin, again Solana on this one is on the 15 minutes. This is for the 4 hours chart. Then you got the one for PayPay, Ordinals, and some others. And to show you how you set it up actually, so once you got the indicator and you want to trade Bitcoin now, you open these settings and here you find the time frame. So you have to set the time frame to the specific time frame that is given here on this sheet, and the ticker to BTC USDT from Binance. I also do give a recommended trade setup. As you can see here, I would not recommend it to trade with more than 25% at a leverage of 5 on the daily Bitcoin setting. But of course, you can play with those settings, but keep in mind, adjust your risk management properly. And then you have to open the settings from the indicator and type in all of the numbers and all of the sources as they are displayed here, and then you get the same outcome as I've shown you, as I've just been showing to you.
Great. So you can use it basically manually as an indicator if you type this, or you can connect it via 3 commas to your trading account.
Exactly. And for the automation, if you want to connect it to 3 commas and let it trade on autopilot for you, you go to 3 commas and then you can copy the entry and exit strings of the bot, and you post here the entry string and here the exit string. And then you click on OK, and then you have to create a new alert in order to automate it. You go to condition, choose the GigaTrend, you make it an open-end alert, and you can name it like BTC Longbot. And here you have to put a specific message. It's this one here with those little, how are they called in English? You know, those brackets. And then click on create. And then your bot can be trading based on these signals on autopilot. And it's working for all of the different presets I've been showing you here right now.
Great. And bro, can you return for a minute your Discord page for those who, or maybe I can return it also. For those who doesn't understand in English, we will prepare a closed Telegram group with translations to Russian. And stay tuned. Subscribe. If you understand English, please subscribe to SazAnalytica also and their Discord. And if you prefer Telegram, we will keep you updated soon. So stay subscribed. And I think maybe we can wrap it up because, bro, Bitcoin is almost breaking all-time high. I should go live on my Russian channel because audience is waiting very soon.
Okay.
If you have some final words about GigaTrend or Bitcoin, where do you think we can go in terms of non-speculative but hodl investors position? You know, where is your first hodl take profit, not the trading take profit?
Hodl take profit.
Yeah.
So I am under the impression that Bitcoin is definitely going to 100K sooner or later. So 100K, 125K, those would be my take profits. I really hope that we reach these targets, and I really also do think that we will reach those levels sooner or later, especially because of the ETFs now. There's trillions of Wall Street money inflow into the crypto industry now. And it's a whole new gate did just emerge open to the crypto world. So I think this is absolutely possible in the next years. Maybe even this year, who knows?
Yeah, man, absolutely crazy times we are living in. Great. Thank you for your knowledge, for your analysis, and hope to see you soon. Maybe next week we can do live. We can try to do live. I even will upload it to English channel soon, I think, as we prepare. So
Perfect.
great. Keep in touch, and
Thank you guys for listening, and thank you, Greenie, for having me on your channel for this opportunity. And yeah, guys, Bitcoin 67K, stay profitable.
thank you, Fabian.
Don't over leverage yourself. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good.
Okay,
Then
I stop
nice.
it.